As expected yesterday, gold and silver both achieved the highs at around 1865 and 2220 levels and reversed back since then. Now, what is going to happen today? Which levels we should take? I am going to tell you with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Next analysis on gold will be up just before the US cash session. So do watch that also. Let's start the day with gold first, followed with silver, and do listen to it carefully. The levels I am going to tell you within the commentary itself. This is the hourly chart for gold, and as I said, the resistance here at 1855 and the support here at 1850 is going to be strong for the day. Look at this, how it has behaved on the hourly charts. Right now it is trying to reverse. See, this was the channel in which it was trading on the early charts, and this time it is broken out of this channel. So yes, I will be watchful of the support at 1850. Once, rather I will say 1847. Once it breaks 1847, one can go short for gold. The target is going to be somewhere here at 1840 levels, which are going to be stronger support for gold, and below that we can see a good drop there. Early charts, the directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold. MACD is bearish. RSI is looking downwards. So mixed indication on the 2-hour charts. If we look at similarly on the 2-hour charts, it is still very much confined within the channel, almost trading at the bottom. So yes, I'll be watchful of that. There is a support here at 1850 and there is a little resistance here at 1855 level. So once 1855 is taken, you can go long again. This time it can go quite well upwards towards 1870 plus levels. If it trades above 1850 plus levels, then and then only. At the same time, breaking 1847, one can expect that we may see 1840 levels again. Directional movement is trying to converge and cross over for a bearish move. Stochastic on the 2-hour charts is comfortable looking, and MACD is looking downwards. It is bearish, it is divergent. RSI is looking downwards here, indicating little bearishness. If you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, similarly you will find that there is a support here at 1850 levels, and then breaking this 1847, I will say breaking this, one can expect it will drop till towards 1840, and below that we can see a good fall till towards 1836 and 1830 levels. Look at the directional movement is still in buy side, but it is trying to converge. The stochastic is trading near to bottom. I will be watchful. MACD has just crossed over. This is second green red candle post the crossover, hence indicates mostly it may try to diverge, indicating more bearishness there. RSI sloping downwards. I will be cautious unless it completely look downwards. We cannot say that it is going to drop completely. Coming back to the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see, this is trying to create a symmetry out there. You can find that similar candle are being seen. So it is trying to create a symmetry. Once we say it is trying to create a symmetry, it means my next target is going to be 1840, and then it may try to trade sideways till 1840, and then it may look forward a complete drop. That is very much possible. At the same time, if it breaks 1855 here, you can say that is trying to reverse, and possibly it will continue in the upward trend from here onwards. Now look at this. It is on the 4-hour charts, it is very much still within this channel, and hence any breakout below 1847 will take it towards 1840. Below 1840 we can see a further drop till towards 1830 levels, which is going to be a stronger support. But yes, 1836 also should provide a support, that is a stronger level, and then below that it can fall. At the same time, till the time it trades above 1847, and yes, if it breaks 1855, we can see a bullish reversal, and then it will try to hit 1860 65, and then it can try till towards 1871 levels. So in between 1847 and 1855, I will not recommend you to take a position. Look at the directional movement. It is trying to converge for a bearish move. Stochastic looking downwards, indicating bearishness. MACD is trying on the verge of a convergence here and a crossover. So 3-hour charts it is crossed over, 4-hour charts is on the verge of a crossover. Hence, possibly directing that there is still some bearishness in gold. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming back to the daily charts, on the daily charts, now look closely. Here is the 20 period moving average at around 1846 1847 levels. So that is why I say only if it drops below 1847. Also this is the channel bottom. There we have seen multiple candles giving it a support there. So only if you see it trading below 1847, one can expect that it may try to come back till towards 1840, and then below that there could be a sharper red candle which will try to take it towards 1830 and below levels. Also breaking above 1855, here could be a similar green candle which will try to take it towards 1865 1870 levels. So I will give you the levels here, and directional movement is still bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought on the daily charts, looking downwards. MACD has crossed over, it is white divergent, indicating bullishness there, and RSI is trading flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to go long above 1855 again and go short below 1847. In between 1847 and 1855, do not trade. Above 1855, the next target is 1860, 1865, 1871. It can try till there, it can rise till there, and then 1880 levels. Till the time it sustains and trades above 1855, you can remain long, but do not forget to close your trades at every milestone and re-enter if you see it rising again or trading in your direction, then and then only. Also, yes, you can go short below 1847. We will find it bearish below 1847. Then you can take a target of 1841, 1836 and 1830. Below 1830, we may see a very good fall, very sharp fall towards 1824 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts is again trying to create a support at around 2170 levels, which was previously also very good support, and then the next support at 2160. Also look at this, the resistance zone is again the same 2190 levels. So yes, only about 2190 one can expect that there is going to be bullishness and it is going to reverse. Also on the hourly charts, it has achieved higher highs. So here if it fails to break 2160, one can still expect that it is trading in a upward trending channel on the hourly charts. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is white divergent and bearish. RSI is near to bottom. On the 2-hour charts, resistance here at 2180 and then 2190. Higher highs, higher lows. Breaking below 2160, yes, there could be more bearishness, there could be more drop which one can expect. We can see it falling till towards 2150 and 2135 levels. It can get a support at those levels, below which we may see a stronger fall. Directional movement is bearish, it is diverging. Stochastic is near to oversold levels. MACD is white divergent and more bearishness it is showing. RSI is near to bottom and sloping downwards. Look at the 3-hour charts. So on the 3-hour chart, the support here at 2160 is strong. What it is trying to do, if it fails to sustain this level first at 2168 and then at 2160, if it breaks this level, one can expect that there is going to be more or sharp bearish move here. What it is trying to create is this, and then it can drop till towards 2150 2135 levels, but till the time it is giving higher lows, higher highs, one can expect that it is trying to trade in this channel, and hence any reversal beyond 2180 is a good level to buy for 2190 and then 2200. Beyond 2200, it's a bonus move. We will see it trading towards 2230 levels. Directional movement is has just crossed over for a bearish move. Stochastic is oversold, indicating probably we may see a little reversal. The MACD is wide, divergent and bearish, indicating strong bearishness here on the 3-hour charts. RSI trading flat, it is not sloping upwards or downwards, indicating not much of a move there. Coming back to 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see, it is still trying to confine within this channel, as we saw on the hourly and 2-hour, 3-hour, 4-hour charts. It is trying to confine within this channel. Once it breaks out below this, and specifically I'll be watchful of 2160. If it breaks below 2160, one can expect 2150, 2140 levels, below which there could be a sharper drop. The resistance there at 2180 is very strong. If it breaks on the upside, one can expect beyond 2180, one can go long for 2190, 2210 and then 2230 levels also. Directional movement is crossing over for a sell here. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is wide, divergent and bearish. Here is the third candle post the crossover, and hence more bearishness can be seen. RSI is sloping downwards. On the daily charts, see, it is trying to give you, this is coming out of this channel. So this is going to be a stronger red candle. Probably if it breaks below 2160, we may see a sharper drop on silver today. Be cautious. We can expect 2130 levels, and then in fact it can try to move towards 2120 levels. So what it has done on the daily charts, see, it has long red streak there, a retracement, minor retracement, and now post the retracement it is trying to resume this move again, and this time it will try to achieve the lows there. Possibly it might try to break below 2000 levels soon in the coming sessions. So for the day, till the time silver trades below 2180, one can remain short. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is overbought, it is looking downwards. MACD is bullish, but it is trying to converge. RSI is trading flat here. Possibly there is an opportunity for it to drop again. So in sum, I will recommend you to go long only above 2180 levels, above which one can expect that it is showing a reversal there, and then 2190, 2205, 2220 and 2230 levels can be seen. Please mark these levels and close your trades accordingly at every milestone. You can re-enter always. On the downside, breaking 2160, you can go short. First target 2150, next target 2140, then 2135, and below that we may see it falling strongly towards 2120 and 2100 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Do not trade in hurry. Always keep shifting your stop loss to cost, such that you can at least preserve your capital in the event of a reversal. It doesn't mean that if it is going in single direction, it will always continue. It will always swing plus minus from your position. So keep closing your position, keep re-entering. That is the best way. Or take some time after it closes. You can give a break and you can re-enter after a little break. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Join my mentorship batch. If you want to learn more on the best practices, strategies and the methodology and the art to read markets, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 6th of June. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID and email ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.